Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i, and today I will show you how you can unpair this FreeBuds from your Apple Watch. So at the first you have to open charging case of your FreeBuds and then move to your settings on Apple Watch. Right now you have to scroll down and find Bluetooth settings. Next you have to find HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i, tap on the information icon, then click to disconnect, tap on the information icon again and click to forget device. As you can see, after a few moments you are successfully disconnected. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.